Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we'll be analyzing the market together. These are the assets we'll be checking out one after the other. Everything I will be doing is in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining us live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with it. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000 and I'm on 3M trend Milka trading indicator. Just the way we have seen it, this was on uptrend before but got to this resistance zone and came down, and right here at the support zone it pulled back right from there. But if you should check, here is a resistance zone. Okay, right here is a resistance zone, so if it's unable to break out above this resistance zone, then it should sell for a while. At least it should sell till it gets to this region. Okay, till it gets to this region, and of course it will try it out again to see if it will break out from the resistance zone. Once it breaks out above it, then it will go back up here before it goes down again to see if it will break out below this support zone. Okay, this is very important. Okay, so we should expect it to buy more, okay, more especially after the pullback. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, once it breaks out above the resistance zone, then it will buy more. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is boom 500. This had been on a very strong uptrend, but it has got into this resistance zone and it is selling at the moment, so it's going to be selling more. Okay, if it breaks out below this support zone, then definitely it is coming down to this region. Okay, so this should be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's see how it works. Okay guys, this is crash 1000. It was on uptrend before but was unable to break out above this resistance zone, so it came down, and of course it's trying it out again but still unable. You can see here is a resistance zone. It's obeyed it here, even though it broke out from there around here, but okay, of course there is the resistance zone right there, so it has got into this place, and of course it pulled back. It will be trying it out again to see if it will break out above it. Once it breaks out above it, then definitely it will keep on buying. Okay, so this should be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 500. Okay guys, this is crash 500. It's been on a very strong downtrend, and of course it will be trying out the support zone again. If it's unable to break out below the support zone, then it will go back on buy trend. Okay, but if it does, then definitely it will continue with the sell trend. So for now it is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out below the support zone. That is when it will go back into a buy trend. So the last asset we'll be checking out is going to be volatility 75. This is volatility 75, and just the way we have seen it, it's been on a very strong uptrend. Got to this resistance zone and played around there for a while, and of course it has not been able to break out above that resistance zone, so we might be experiencing a downtrend right from there, most especially once it breaks out below this. Okay, so we should be experiencing more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, but we need it to break out below this. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, so these are these are what we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just to make sure you understand every part of the analysis and make sure you take advantage of it, okay? And whenever you are trading, okay, make sure you take advantage of it, and of course do that carefully. For those of you that are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.